guys, so we are back with a brand new video, and in today's video I'll be doing a review and demo using a new Voss like a Voss eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to see my thoughts and demo, then of course just keep watching. Alright you guys, so if you watch my Sephora haul, I told you guys that I did pick up the Voss eyeshadow palette and I wanted to do an actual review for you guys on my channel. So that's what we'll be doing today, and here is the actual box for the product. I think it's so cute. It's like a holographic kind of look to it, and I've always wanted to try any kind of like eyeshadow palette from Voss because I just feel like every time I see videos or like swatches, the pigmentation is always amazing, and I just had to just get one for myself, but I just don't like shopping online. So when I saw it in Sephora, I just knew I just had to go ahead and get my hands on it, which I did. When you open up the eyeshadow palette, you do get this sleeve which comes inside the palette. It says Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. I thought it was just different from the traditional like blank clear sleeves that come in the eyeshadow palette, but we are here for the actual product, which is right here. Again, it is the Voss like a Voss eyeshadow palette. The packaging is the exact same as the actual box that it comes in, and when you open up the actual palette, you do get a nice size mirror on top right here. And then here are the beautiful eyeshadows, you guys. When I say this palette is so pretty, it's definitely my kind of palette, and I just feel like if you want to create any look, whether it's like an everyday look for school or work, or like a nice smoky eye to go out with, you can definitely do that with this eyeshadow palette. And I had so much fun using this palette and created the look that I'm wearing today. I didn't get a chance to like play with all the colors in the eyeshadow palette in terms of like an actual look, but I did get to use at least 4 to 5 eyeshadows in this palette. So again, palette is amazing. I do have swatches for you guys, but I'm not gonna sit here and individually swatch each one because it's 20 eyeshadows in here and we'll be here all day long. So I'm just gonna like insert, you know, some clips of me having the swatches already on my hand. But yeah. But yeah, I definitely love this eyeshadow palette. I can definitely tell you offhand from just swatching certain colors that Realness, which is this like middle bronzy orange color, it is so beautiful and pigmented when it's swatched. The next one that's really pretty when it's swatched is called Girl Crush. Is this like yellow gold right here. It almost reminds me of Rihanna's Trophy Wife sitting inside the pan. The next one that's really pretty swatch is called Dalton. Is this like shimmery, like mossy green color. And the next one that's pretty swatch is called Smart AF. I do have that on my lid, but I will tell you guys, when using that actual shadow, I don't know if it's the brush I was using, but it was definitely hard to get the color packed on my eyelid. It was almost appearing kind of like splotchy or patchy, so it definitely worked better with my fingers. Again, it might just be the brush that I was using, probably wasn't working with it, but with my finger I definitely got a nice, you know, pigmentation on my eyelid. But overall, you guys, it is a nice quality eyeshadow palette. It's super pigmented. Again, you have a nice mixture of shimmer and mattes in here, and I like the fact that you get a lot of browns in this eyeshadow palette. You definitely get like your lighter browns to like your darker browns in here. And then I can definitely say when using this product, the colors that I did play with to create my eye look, I barely got any kind of kickback from it. And I'm not sure if it's because it's pressed really well in here. Like, it's not pressed too compact to where you get no pigment, but it's definitely pressed good enough to where you don't get like eyeshadow everywhere all over your eyeshadow palette, which I do like. And again, blending the eyeshadow out was super easy. It didn't take 25 years to like get it blended out. So overall, I do love the eyeshadow palette. If you guys don't have it, definitely check it out. Again, you can get it on Voss website, or you can get it at Sephora. And the price for the eyeshadow palette was amazing. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then of course just keep watching. Alright you guys, so we are diving into the Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, which I'm super excited about. I'm not sure what look I want to create with this eyeshadow palette, but you guys know that's nothing new when I do these kind of videos. But again, here is the palette. So cute. So diving in. The good thing is I have lots of options in this palette as far as like different looks to create. So that's definitely a good thing because I love having options versus like no options. So let's just dive into the look. So for the first color I'm going to take Serve. Is this really pretty brown color, and just apply that in my crease. And before I do that, we are going to prime our eyes. Alright, and then to deepen up the look, I'm going to take the color called Work. It's this really pretty like matte burgundy color right here. Just going to throw that in the crease as well. Alright, and then we're going to take this color called Smart AF. It's this really pretty green color, and apply that all over the lid. And I am going to go ahead and just wet my brush just to get the most pigmentation from the color. Alright, I'm just going to take Inspo and just kind of put it in my outer V. Alright you guys, this is the final look that I came up with. Again, it's super simple, super cute, and I just had so much fun creating this look. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Like always, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I apologize if you heard Trey throughout the video, but he's right here next to me, and I guess he wants you guys to know that he's present. as you can see. So yeah, make sure you guys please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.